weather alert.
Today was warm, dry, breezy, and we had red flag warnings in place for most of southeastern Colorado. We had a high of 62 in Colorado Springs and 70 in Pueblo, and things changed quickly around here, especially when we get into these spring-like storms. Monument Hill right now, we see the snow coming down. You can tell by the traffic light there. Looks like I-25 is starting to slow down a little bit, but traffic's still running smoothly enough because it was so warm today and the warm start to this storm. It's taken a while for snow to start to accumulate, and so I've actually decreased some of our snow totals because of the delay to accumulation with this storm, and I'll go through those details in a moment. But let's check some more current conditions. Cripple Creek is very windy. We do have some light snow accumulation happening already. Colorado Springs downtown, just wet conditions on the roads. We've had a wintry mix, close to 5,000 to 6,000 feet in elevation. Pueblo, it's mostly just been very windy tonight. North wind is sustained at 31 miles per hour, gusting even higher than that. So let's talk about the wind for a moment. This is going to be the most widespread impacts to our region. Pretty much everyone is going to be very windy tomorrow. We have a high wind warning in place starting at 2 a.m. going until 5 p.m. And then we have that blizzard warning in orange, which covers I-70 as well as northern El Paso County and up through portions of Douglas County. So that's in effect right now. Wind gusts currently 49 miles per hour in Pueblo, 40 for Springfield, 41 in Eads, and 48 in Lyman. Those winds are only going to increase. We have an area of low pressure here into the eastern plains that's going to see a very strong pressure gradient. We've got this northerly wind that will be gusting 50, 60, 70 miles per hour into tomorrow morning. So here's 7 a.m. in that light brown color. That's where we could see those 70 mile per hour wind gusts. That's going to continue for most of the day. Very strong winds, especially in the plains up to I-25. That north-south orientation means east-west roads are going to see those really strong crosswinds. Then on top of that, many of us are going to see snowfall if you're not already seeing it already. Our winter alerts, our winter weather advisories in purple, and a winter storm warning in pink for Teller County. And again, that blizzard warning, which is a combination of wind and snow, reducing visibility. It's a very mild storm, so we still have a wintry mix or even thunderstorm activity right now. Thunderstorms between Lyman and Burlington tonight. A wintry mix into the eastern plains. Looks like potentially even some thunder snow activity in Huerfano County and southern Pueblo County. We've got snow for the Pikes Peak region, so let's zoom in. It's mostly just rain right now towards Fountain. Wintry mix in the central part of the city and snow for northern El Paso County. Snow showers starting to fill into western Fremont County, Huerfano County, and southern I-25, looking like mostly snow, but definitely a wintry mix in here with some pretty energetic convection happening. Got those thunderstorms right now into the eastern plains. So springtime weather is definitely here, even though we're not officially in spring yet. This rain snow line will probably hover around 5,000 feet in elevation tonight. We'll continue to see some heavy precipitation into early tomorrow morning. But look at 7 a.m. even some cloud cover starting to clear out into the eastern plains, and then we'll have a few lingering showers east, but this storm will be done before we know it. So I am expecting to pick up a couple inches of snowfall for most of our region. Again, I've decreased totals a little bit in the Pikes Peak region just to account for the delay in the accumulation tonight, but still high impacts, especially northern El Paso County, Teller County. So we've got some high impacts to the morning commute with the snow and with the low visibility due to the wind blowing that snow around. And then into the rest of the week, I've got another eye on Thursday night to Friday with some snow showers possible with much slower impacts. Pueblo, a lot of wind tomorrow, some showers. You'll see our next cold front arrive Thursday to Friday. Canyon City, lesser impacts from this storm. You're a little bit more sheltered further west, but wind and showers tonight. Woodland Park, high impacts with heavy snow.